Sabi dito sa isang post, I owe nothing to this country. The Filipino people are what we owe our allegiance to. But have you tried to check kung anong pag-uugali, anong values meron yung Filipino people na sinasabi mo? 'Di ba? So, tingnan natin. Birthplace, I didn't choose to be here. It was a random biological chance. I agree. Opportunities. What opportunities? To be further exploited? Well, kaya nga tayo nag-aaral ng critical thinking para hindi na tayo ma-exploit. That's the first thing. Marami kasi sa Pilipino, bukod sa glaring functionally illiterate, yung numbers natin, 90%. Marami rin sa atin ang kulang sa critical thinking, kaya ang dami or paulit-ulit na naloloko yung mga Pilipino. Sabi niya pa, work? Tell me how my taxes are working for me. Well, tell me how the people vote too. Sinong binoboto nila? Artista. Yung mga malalakas lang magmura. Yung malalakas lang makipag-away. Yung mga walang sense. 'Di ba? Yun yung madalas nilang binoboto. Gawa ng pagiging mangmang nila at functionally illiterate nila sa mga bagay-bagay at kakulangan nila sa critical thinking. Business, you fuckwards are actively killing us. Well, not all, of course. There are still businesses that are, trustworthy and at least not damaging us. Community, you have successfully divided the people. There is no community. Well, we are divided because of how our minds process. Diba? Yung pagiging addict natin sa politika, yung pagiging partisan natin sa mga politika, hindi na natin kayang tumingin ng kung ano yung tama sa mali. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-pumapatay sa atin. And all this country has done is take and take and take and take. I owe this government nothing. Well, yes, I agree. But to equate the country to the government, that's where you're wrong. 'Di ba? Unang-una, yung gobyerno natin, reflection yan ng tao. Kasi saan ba galing yung mga government officials natin? Di ba tao din naman yung bumoboto dyan? Sabi dito, you have broken the contract. I pay you taxes, you give us a decent country. Fuck you and your designer bags and Forbes mansion. And if you come in here with your privileged opinions and kid. Well, unang-una kasi, hindi alam ng mga Pilipino kung ano yung uunahin nila when it comes sa pagbabago. They always shout, they always, virtue signal na, dapat ibang tao yung magbago para gumanda yung buhay ko. Bakit hindi natin baliktarin? Ba't hindi nyo umpisahan doon sa kung ano yung ginagawa nyo sa mga sarili nyo para mapaunlad nyo yung buhay nyo? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.